everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy May 2019 Glambag Plus subscription. Now, just gonna forewarn you guys, I'm under the weather, I'm not feeling too good, but this did just arrive and I'm like, oh, I gotta film a video on it. I will tell you guys, I'm excited to see what's in it because it feels much lighter than what it has felt like in the past. So anyways, if this sounds like a video you guys are interested in, make sure to stay tuned. But before we get into it, if you guys would help me out and either share this video or share the link to this video, as well as subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That sounded so bossy. I am so sorry, guys. I don't know what my deal is. I know what it is. We're gonna blame it on the cold and that I'm not thinking clearly. Okay, we're just gonna move right along. Okay, so like I said, this is a monthly subscription. There are two options at Ipsy that you can choose from. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, you will not know this, but if you've been with me for a while, you do know that I do what's called Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, and that is where my older daughter and I unbox the Ipsy Glambag, which is like a $10 a month Ipsy subscription, and it comes with like sample size, deluxe sample size, and sometimes full size items. Now that is $10. Now this one is after tax, pardon me, it's like $26 and change, and all the items in here are full size items, and I want to say you typically get about 5 items in each box. So let's just go ahead and get right into it, you guys. Okay, so when we rip it open like a wild monster, this is what we get on the inside. And as you, okay, I peeked, I'm sorry guys. Okay, so we normally get a pamphlet, and in the pamphlet it tells us each item that is in here, how much the retail value is. And the first item that I see is by, is it Ginsa Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. So again, this is full size. It says it refines, smooth, prep, and even out skin tone in one simple step. Infused with 8 Super Blacks Essence, the satin, whatever. Let's just look. I have never heard of this brand before, guys. You guys ever heard of this? Huh. I'm not going to open it right this second. I think what I'm going to do is do a video like testing out Ipsy products or Boxy products. I don't know. Let's see here. Now, as far as how much it is, it says it has a value of $35. So, okay. I'll have to look it up. You guys are really good about knowing a lot of these expensive brands. Sorry, I'm a mess over here and I'm dropping things. Story of my life. You guys know a lot of these brands. It seems like you guys always leave me comments down below letting me know like, oh, that's a really high-end product or whatever, and I'm over here not knowing. So I'm such a professional at my job. Okay, so the next item I got is the Wonder Beauty Wonderless Seascape Eyeshadow Palette. This is what the box looks like, and the colors in the back. And oh my gosh, I have to open this, you guys. Okay. I have to say, I have been loving, I started off, I'm still squeezing every little bit I can out of this Wonder Beauty. This is the Glotion lotion. I love this. I love this. Okay, that's not in the Ipsy. I'm just tangenting because my head is full of nonsense. This is really pretty. Do you love my delay reaction to things, guys? I feel like it's really getting drowned out, but I'm going in, guys. Let's swatch this. Ooh, these feel amazing. Ooh. So it looks like what you get is one matte. Oh my god, I'm such a professional here. Here's the swatches. Look at that. Yeah, God forbid I turn anything on silent when I'm trying to film a video. So, I mean, not the best swatching, guys. I'm really sorry. I sit down and I wing it and hope for the best. But this is really pretty. I think this is a really pretty spring summer palette. I don't know how many different variations of I can come up with, but your girl's gonna try. So that is the second item that I received. Let me do this, because if not, just gonna make a mess. So this did retail for $25. I am just getting into the Wonder Beauty, guys, and I have to say that what I've played with so far, I actually really have been happy with it. Okay. So the next item I got are 3 of the Glam Glow Bubble Sheets. Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. Can I use these? I actually will use these. Okay, cool. Some of the Glam Glow products have a dimethicone in there. Like, I know that there are some dimethicones or whatever. I guess there's different levels of it that doesn't affect my skin. But in some of their products, the dimethicone that they had and some of their other lotions and whatnot really affected my skin. And I'm excited to try these because it doesn't seem to have it in there. And it says it glow, oxygenate, detoxify, purify, face mask removal, whatever. Sounds pretty amazing. We're gonna test it out, and it looks like you get 3 of them for $27. So very happy and pleased with that. I have 2 more items in here. The next one, oh my goodness, is the Il Makiage. I am so excited about this, guys. This is like a newer brand, I believe came out last year, and I saw a ton of influencers get PR on this. Not me, but I did see a lot of people get PR with this brand, and apparently it is more, I believe, of an expensive brand. I'm not going to open the actual product though, only because, well, I have like 7 different mascaras open at this time, so we're not going to do that. But I know this is kind of more of like a high-end type of brand. I don't even know. I'm assuming it might be sold at Sephora. But it does retail for $25. So I am very, very excited to try that out. And the last item I got, oh, this is so funny. It's 2 together. What is this? Hold on, I believe it's 2 different pencils. I wonder if they're supposed to, do you guys see this? It's 2, I don't know how to make the camera focus. Here we go. Do you guys see? It's 2 together. I'm trying to rip it apart. I don't know if I was supposed to get 2, but it looks like it is a brand that I can't enunciate. It's 2 different colors, Lust and Media. So they're colored pencils. It's from this brand. Is it supposed to think? Y'all know that brand? Because your girl don't know that brand. Let's see. Was I supposed to get 2? Yeah, I guess you are. A lip coloring pencil duo in Lust and Media, and it says $21 each. I wonder if that means like each set or each pencil. That seems expensive. Let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch them for you guys. Hopefully my battery doesn't run out. Ooh, this looks dark. I don't know. Those are really, let's see here. Okay, guys. Wait a minute. Do they or do they not look darn near identical? Huh. Okay. Well, I already swatched them, so I guess I can't give them away. They legitimately kind of almost look like they're the same color. I mean, one is a smidgen lighter, but not by much. So, anyways, okay, so let me go ahead and tally up the grand total of everything and then give you guys my final thoughts on this box. Okay guys, so quick little recap of everything we received in here. This brand, Yisa, whatever, girl, no, Hooked on Phonics didn't work for me. We got 3 of the Glam Glow face masks, the Wonder Beauty Seascape eyeshadow palette. As I drop stuff, awesome. Okay, I should probably just stay. And then the Il Makiage mascara as well as the colored pencils. They're not colored pencils, they're lip pencils. Lord Jesus, I probably should just go take some Mucinex and pass out. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. So anyways, like I said, I paid $26 and change. Everything came to a total of $133. So let's talk about this. Like I always tell you guys, when you order a subscription box, no matter what box it is, you're kind of like setting yourself up to try out new products, and you're at their mercy because you don't get to choose what you want. You know, it's kind of however they curate it. And I don't know, I still am not 100% sure whether or not they go off of your profile or not, or if everybody gets the exact same item in their box. As you guys know, I don't watch other people's unboxings until I have already uploaded mine or unboxed mine, kind of thing. So I think that out of everything that I did receive, I will definitely use it, except I'll have to play around with the lip liners because you guys know how I am. I'm not one to put too much color on my lips, but that's something that I'm working on, guys. Anyways, overall, I do think that this was a good box. I think that for $26, I did get some wonderful products to try out, test out, and everything. I am excited to try that El Maquillage mascara, as well as that primer that I've never heard of before. So anyways, let me guys, this is not going to be a fun video to edit, guys. Oh my goodness. I've been up since 3:30 this morning because I can't breathe. So if you guys are like, why does she sound like that? Like, yeah, it's because this is so stuffy and congested that I'm just like, when I get a little bit of oxygen, I'm like, oh, thank you, God. So I'm excited to test out everything. Like I said, I think I'm going to start doing videos testing out everything that comes in like a Boxycharm or an Ipsy Glambag or whatever. If you guys want to see something like that, leave me a comment down below. I am going to go rest up because your girl's a hot mess. More than normal. I'm not going to enjoy editing this video. I already know that. Okay guys, so before I hop off, I do want to give a notification shout out. I'm sorry that this video is so all over the place. If you want to be a part of the notification squad, it's super crazy easy. All you got to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel, click that notification bell 2 times, and then leave me a comment down below what you're doing, what you did over the weekend, because I'm hoping to post this on Monday. So we have the weekend coming up. So let me know what you guys did over the weekend. Okay, so anyways, today's notification shout outs go to Dawn, is it Bershow? Bicky, Ahmed, Mud Angel 78, Christina's Beauty Diary Secrets, and Missy Lofton. Thank you guys so much for being part of the notification squad and leaving me a comment. And actually today's video, but it really doesn't matter which video because I just kind of pull it from wherever. Wow, I am really questioning myself right now. You guys, woo! Your girl's gonna go take some Mucinex and pass out. Maybe some NyQuil, I don't know. Girl needs a nap. I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed the video enough to give it a thumbs up. Maybe to share it with your friend who's maybe having a really bad day, and you guys can be like, look at this girl. You thought your day was bad? She can't even get her life together. And she's filming and putting it on the internet. Wow, okay. Until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye. My voice is a crack-a-lackin'. Okay, see you guys. I forgot to do a flippin' thumbnail. Awesome sauce. And I ripped through the box like a crazy person. Oh my goodness.